Hello, good morning friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to reset Cisco wireless controller password in easy way. So friends, you can see I have forgot my Cisco WLC password and not able to log in. So how you can reset it? Friends, you can see there is a two option to reset your password. So in this video I will let you know how to reset Cisco WLC password without lost configuration. So and and in second method configuration will lost after reset password. So we will go with first option. Okay, later we'll show you second method to factory default. You have to reboot your Cisco wireless control. You can say it's rebooting here. So friends, please make sure here don't press enter here. On the first username prompt you have to type here restore. Please make sure it's a case sensitive. Restore hyphen pcaps password on the first username prompt. Where is the first user prompt asking for username? You have to type here restore password hyphen password and press enter. Now enter new username. Type here new admin. Then type your password here. Type password. Password didn't match. Enter. Now login again with now, now friends, you can see I have successfully logged in with me user ID and password. Okay, so in this video, so this is the first method you have seen how to reset your password. So let me show you another method how to recover your config. To recover your complete, you want to reset, you want to, if you want to factory default, then how to reset your, so how to factory default and wireless control, let me show you. Okay, just again reboot here. Now here escape, press escape key and you will see, you can see here run primary image, run backup image, change attribute, manually update image. Okay, I have to clear the configuration, so I will select here 5. Okay, if I will select 5 here, then configuration will clear and it will factory default and password will reset here. So I will tell you another option here to how to reset with factory default. So I will show you. So friends, here you can see username prompt asking for username. Don't press enter here. Just you have to type here recover config. Recover is a case sensitive. Recover config. Press enter here. Now your system will reboot and your configuration will be lost here. Okay. So friends, after reboot you will get configuration wizard, initial configuration wizard, and you can configure again and start work. So so friends, you have seen in this video how to reset wireless controller username password and how to factory default wireless controller. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.